Hey guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in this video, we are going to see how we can set the PDF attributes. So I have this PDF file which is open in Adobe. Then if I right click, if you see here document properties. Here for this document, for this PDF document, we have the title, author, subject, keywords, created date, modified date. So these are the attributes of my PDF document. So in this video we are going to see how we can set these things with the help of PDF document information object which is presented in the Apache Open PDF. So let's get started guys. So yeah, let me close these items. So I have this particular file called read PDF file which is available in this path. Since PDF is a file, so let's create a file object. Before that, let me organize my inputs here. It's fine, yeah. File is equal to something like file as new file of my path of the file. This is my path. Okay, then pd document, that is input PDF is equal to pd document dot load. So I am loading a already existing PDF document guys. So I am loading this. Then here, yes, now here pd document information, that is PDF info is equal to input PDF dot get pd dot get document information. We have this one. Okay, get document information. Now let me import this object. Okay, now I have PDF info, right? Here if you apply dot and click on the set, these are the items you can set. These are the attributes that you can set for the PDF document information. That means this is a Pojo class, right? This is a Pojo class having what items? So having these are the items. Okay, so these are the items we need to set here. So for that thing, what I am doing is simply PDF info dot set title as something like PDF learning with Apache PDF box. Then PDF info dot set creation date things we'll see later. Creator something like Karthik Bedi. Then PDF info dot set I think you can do for other things like title, subject line, and more keywords, all those things. So for the subject line, let me give something like PDF. Okay, now PDF info dot set. If you see, there were few set methods where you need to pass the date function here, something like set creation date, set modification date, right? So these are expecting the calendar object. So let's see how we can handle that as well. So simply for that, let me create a calendar object, something like calendar. Cal is equal to calendar dot get. There is something called get instance, so we are going to get today's date with this. Okay, now simply use this one, PDF info dot set creation date as cal. Okay, similarly pdf info dot set modification date also something like today's date. Now let's save these things here. Input input pdf dot save of file. Okay, now let's close our input pdf dot close. Then similarly let's close our file as well. File close will be there, right? Or else exit will be there, is it? No, it's okay, leave it. Then I think that should be sufficient, guys. Now let me run this. Before that, this is existing, so let me close this. Now let me run this. It is completed. Actually I'm not printing anything here, that's fine. Now let's go to this path. This is document pdf folder, so I'm in the document pdf folder. This is my particular file, read pdf file, and I'm opening this with adobe here. So adobe reader. Now right click here, go to the document properties. Now you could see we are actually okay, so if you see subject line as pdf, which we have set here, okay, and creator title, so creator and title, so you could see here also creation date is just now 22nd of February, just now got created, and modification as well. So this is how you can get the pdf attributes, something like creation date, updated date, author, subject lines. This is how you can modify with the help of Apache PDF box. I hope this video is informative for you guys. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me Karthik signing off.